Hi, this video tutorial I will cover HTTP status codes. HTTP status codes are nothing but a standard response codes which a server will send to the client. Okay, and using that response code, we can identify the request is successfully processed by the server or not. And there are five types of status codes are available. The first one is 100 series, that is informational. Second one is 200 series, which is success. Third one is 300 series, which is redirection. And fourth one is 400 series, which is client error. And fifth one is 500 series, which is server error. Okay. Suppose client send HTTP request to the server. The server receive the HTTP request, and if server process the request successfully, then along with the HTTP response, the server sends 200 series success HTTP status code back to the client. Okay, it can be a 200, it can be a 201, etc. Okay, suppose client send HTTP request to the server, and server cannot able to process the request due to the client send wrong request body, or it send some wrong HTTP method. Because of that, server cannot able to process the request means the server will return HTTP response to the client. Along with the HTTP response, it will send 400 series client error status code back to the client. Okay, it can be 400 or 404, etc. Suppose client send HTTP request to the server, and server cannot able to process the request because some internal server error happens, or service is not available. Then along with HTTP response, the server sends 500 series server error status code back to the client. Okay, and suppose client is requesting some page to the server. Okay, that page is moved to some other location. Then the server will send uh, 300 series redirection HTTP status code back to the client. Okay, and suppose client send HTTP request to the server, and server receive the request. After that, server wants to send some information to the client. Then what it will do is, along with HTTP response, the server will send 100 series informational status code to the client. Okay, here you can see 100 series information HTTP status codes, like 100 continue, 101 switching protocols, 103 checkpoint. Okay, and next you can see 200 series successful HTTP status codes, like 200 OK, 201 created, 202 accepted, 204 no content, etc. Okay. Next you can see 300 series redirection HTTP status codes, like 300 multiple choices, 301 move permanently, 302 found, 303 see other, 304 not modified, etc. Okay. Here you can see 400 series client error HTTP status codes, like 400 bad request, 401 unauthorized, 403 forbidden, 404 not found, etc. Okay. Here you can see 500 series server error HTTP status codes, like 500 internal server error, 502 bad gateway, 503 service unavailable, etc. Okay, and this is about HTTP status codes, and thanks for watching. Bye.